Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you know when we upload a new video. As always, I'm MJ, Product Support Manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, we're going to be going over floor chain maintenance on your JBS Equipment Forage trailer. Let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, we need to go over floor chain torque. This needs to be checked every single day, and it needs to be torqued to 100 foot-pounds. Doesn't matter the length of forage trailer that you have, 100 foot-pounds. A quick demo of that. Okay, that's one side. Just like that. Also, you don't need a digital torque wrench. Simple click type from either Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Princess Auto. Anything like that will work great. Keep it with your truck. All right, on to the next. Next on the list is greasing. We recommend that you grease this floor chain every single day. Forage trailers have a couple grease points in the shaft here, and they also have greasing in the tooth of the sprocket as well. Couple pumps of grease, or until you can see it, once a day, keep you rolling smooth. At the rear of the machine, there are 3 places you need to grease. The procedure is exactly the same as the front. Pump grease in there until you can see it. We got 1 bearing block here, 1 in the middle, 1 on the outside. As mentioned before, grease it every day. Finally, when it comes to maintaining the floor chain on your JBS forage trailer, if you're going to store it for any length of time, not run it, anything like that, run the floor chain and spray it down with some biodegradable oil. That'll keep things well lubricated and keep the chain from seizing. That concludes this episode of Tech Tuesday. Be sure to like and follow us on our social media platforms, and if you have a video idea that you'd like to see, drop it in the comment section below.